Know your enemy. You should be able to predict enemy moves. For that, you would need the perfect economy knowledge as well as the game sense. Enemies at lower ranks are pretty predictable. They always play the same spots, and after just a few rounds, you would be able to pre-fire that spots with no problem. High-rank players are hard to predict, they have much more strategies, fake attacks, and they know how to use utility. If there is only one flash on B, don't rotate. People tend to leave the site open if there is even a chance that the enemies are at another site. Never rotate until you see the C4 on the map. Trivia: weapon finishes are referred as paint kits in game files. At one point during the development process, the exterior quality of the weapon was intended to wear down over time to show the weapon's veteran status, but this idea was eventually abandoned after testing and re-evaluating individual skins. The rarity of the weapons was established based on what the developers thought would be the more popular skins, lower tiers, as a form of mitigating the risk of bright, goofy, or unrealistic skins, higher tiers. This was proved wrong after the weapon skins launched, as it was apparent the global offensive community preferred the more unique and brightly colored skins, and newer weapon collections have tailored to reflect the community preference. Some unused qualities also exist in the in-game files, likely copied from other source engine games. These unused qualities include unnamed clandestine, well-designed violet, haunted and completed toxic green, customized rose red. Developer: the unnamed quality is specified in the game's files, but it doesn't have an associated color. The Arms Deal 3 collection is the only skin collection consisting entirely of pistol skins. Scenarios: assassination. In assassination, as maps, the counter-terrorists have a single member on their team who is the VIP. The VIP has to rely heavily on his team because they cannot purchase any equipment, although they are given an USP with 24 bullets as well as 200 Kevlar at the beginning of the game. The VIP will need to go to a specified location where he can escape, thus winning the round. The game is great to play both competitively and casually. With a mix of online match lobbies and custom lobbies available, you will be able to find something for everyone. One of the best ways to practice and improve your CS talents is to 1v1 others, and this guide will take you through all the different alternatives there are and how to 1v1 in CSGO.